Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.2 on Linux Mint 22 operating system. First, open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then see here we have the version 9.2. Also we have other versions. When you are installing, if you are unable to find this version, you can click on this archives. Okay. Then select the operating system. So see here we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay. So open terminal, more /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. So you can select either Ubuntu or Debian. But I am going with Ubuntu. Okay. So select Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version Ubuntu 24.04 because Ubuntu code name is Noble. So select the Ubuntu 24.04. Once we selected these options, it populated list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. So we have to download these packages. Instead of downloading these packages, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment. See, download started and its size is 495 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will enter this tar file. Then we will install the MySQL 9.2. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls, see here we have the MySQL server 9.2 tar file. We have to untar this file, tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name and hit enter. ls, see here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Okay, but before installing them, Ctrl L, we have to install following dependencies. Paste it. I will keep this command in the video description. See, both are already nearest versions. Okay. Ctrl L, ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dp kg -i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. So provide the password for root account. We have to remember this password. Hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter. You can ignore these errors. We have successfully installed MySQL server. Ctrl L, let us verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have installed MySQL server version 9.2. Okay, you can also verify the version. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL server version 9.2. Okay. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create new database. Create database. Now verify again. Show databases. See, new database is there. Now switch to this new database and create a table. Use is the keyword to switch to database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now create a table. Show tables. See here we have a table. Now insert some data into this table. I have to give the table name. Now insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, by mistake I have given the same name for both. Okay. Now verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. We can get the list of the users running the query against mysql.user. Select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user. Now verify again. See, new user is created. Now exit from this MySQL and connect with new user. MySQL-u root-p. It is not root. New username is James-p. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Okay, see, we have successfully connected with the user James. Now switch to back database. See, we are unable to connect because this user doesn't have the privileges. We just created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL service on Linux Mint 22. Okay, so Control A, sudo systemctl, stop MySQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because we have stopped the MySQL server. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service started 3 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. See, we have successfully installed MySQL. So these files are not required anymore. So remove these Debian packages. Remove rm star.deb. ls we have one more file. Remove this one also. Rm MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. So we have cleared the space. Until now we have connected MySQL from the command line client. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. These are the most popular tools. Okay. So again go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then see here we have the MySQL Workbench. Then select the operating system as Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version 24.04. Then download this Debian package. Then we have to download this package and install it. The other tool is dbeaver.io. See here we have two versions. One is dbeaver community and another one is dbeaver pro. Click on download. Then we have to download this Debian package. Then we have to install by using same sudo dpkg-i. Then we have to install downloaded Debian package. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 9.2 server on Linux Mint 22. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.